In this video, I'm going to go over the general setup to get the KSC 60 ready for a cut. First thing we're going to do is take it out of the transport position. And what I typically do first is I will move the miter gauge to 0. To do that, I simply press up on the detent override and go over to 0. I can lock the detent override into constant by just pushing up and over. That allows me to go back and forth. I want to put it in action, and then I'll tighten this down. Every time I get to the position I want, I always tighten that knob down. Next thing I'll do is release the slide mechanism, which is this knob right here. Allows me to slide forward. And then I will get it into the cutting position by moving this lever over. The next step that I always typically do is I will move the fence supports out of the way slightly so I don't have the chance of cutting into them and damaging them. I'll move both away. And now I can add the batteries. The KSC 60 will take any of our 18-volt platform batteries. I simply slide on the back. And these are both Bluetooth batteries, so I could, if I wanted to, hook the dust extraction up to one of our Bluetooth dust extractors, and it'll automatically activate the dust extractor when I make a cut. For this setup, I'll be using the provided dust bag. To attach it, I simply lower the head of the saw, rotate the dust bag, and then lock it into place. Now with the saw set up, I can go ahead and make some cuts.